Sir?
Yes.
Sir, I wanted to ask that the reflection of sound, the incident ray and the reflection ray, it is like the reflection of light?
Yes, it's quite similar. The only thing is, for the reflection of light, we are in need of polished surface, and for the reflection of sound, we are just need of a hard surface.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, dear. If there is any difficulty, please discuss. Why you people are late? Bhavarth? Done with this slide?
No, sir.
Please make it fast. So the next one is echo. Echo. Hanji Tanav, an example for the echo.
Sir, like when we go to any higher altitude or in a room which has nothing in it, like any.
Why there is a condition for room must be empty?
Sir, that nothing must be there, like any bed or any
Why?
type of.
Why?
Sir, because they absorb sound.
Very good. Very good. Ritika, Sana,
Yes, sir.
anything would you like
Yes.
to add in this?
Sir, I think we there is a need of empty room because when a sound is made, it वो सर जाके दीवारों से टकराती है और फिर उसकी वजह से रिपीटली आवाज आती है.
और अगर वहां पे कर्टन लगे होंगे तो क्या होगा? तो जो कर्टन होंगे, कर्टन क्योंकि फैब्रिक से बनते हैं, फैब्रिक साउंड को अपने अंदर अब्सॉर्ब कर लेगा.
And sir, that's why theaters also have that walls. They have something laid on them so that they can absorb the sound.
Yes, very good. So if we shout or clap near a reflecting surface like tall building or a mountain, we hear the same sound again. This sound which we hear called echo. It is caused by the reflection of sound. Next is reverberation. Reverberation is a multiple reflection of sound from several reflecting surface. जब आप किसी अम्यूजमेंट पार्क में जाओ या किसी फेयर में जाओ तो वहां पे ऐसे जो अनाउंसमेंट होती है वो मल्टीपल टाइम आपको सुनाई देती है, जैसे वेलकम 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 वेलकम. ठीक है, so this is known as reverberation when there is a multiple reflection of sound from several reflecting surfaces. Please note down about echo and reverberation, then we will go for the application of echo.
My living circle पे अब ठीक.
Sir, what is the meaning of persist?
रोकना. Done, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, range of hearing. So range is please note it down. The most important is sonar. Sonar stands for sound navigation and ranging. It is a device which uses ultrasonic waves or the sound wave to measure distance, direction, and speed of underwater object. The phenomena is very simple. Please look at the diagram. There is a transmitter which just transmit a signal in the uh, to the depth of water, and if there is any obstruction, this signal will get reflected and the reflected signal is received by the receiver. After noting down the velocity of signal and the time of conveying and receiving, transmitting and receiving the signal, we can find out the distance of any object that is under sea, or we can also find out if there is any obstruction uh, down the ship. Please note it down. Sonar stand for SO, sound for sound. N stand for navigation. AR stand for and ranging. So please note it down. This is quite similar to that of radar. One more is there, that is known as radar. Radar stand for radio detection and ranging. आपने एयर टर्मिनल्स पे देखा होगा कंटिन्यूटी में एक सैटेलाइट जो है हर एक डायरेक्शन में मूव होता है, उसमें से रेडियो वेव्स निकलती हैं, तो अगर कोई एयर में कोई ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन है तो वो उसके साथ स्ट्राइक करके वापस आता है एंड वी कैन फाइंड आउट द डिस्टेंस ऑफ दैट ऑब्जेक्ट. Please note it down. One is sonar and other one is radar, and it is your assignment to find out all information regarding radar. If you want to add up something regarding radar, you can. Prithviraj, Ritika, Tanav, you can add up.
Where
Sana,
it is used by Indian Air Force to detect any type of drones or
not only
any
Indian
type.
Air Force, these are used by various other private airlines as well to find out the distance of a particular plane from the airport or air terminal. हाँ जी, हो गया बच्चों सबका? सना, संकल्प, रितिका,
Yes, sir.
डन?
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
So let's have a recap about the chapter. We are left with a single topic only, the working of human ear. Then we will pack up with this chapter, and your syllabus for physics is also complete. Then we will switch to the activities. Uh, so the first is production of sound, as we already discussed. Sound is produced due to the vibration of object. Propagation of sound in the form of crust and trough if it is a light wave, in terms of compression and rarefaction if it is a sound wave, like this, compression and rarefaction. Please note it down this slide, propagation of sound wave, sound through air.
Sir, what is a tuning fork?
ट्यूनिंग फोक बेटा एक डिवाइस होता है जिससे हम ट्यूनिंग चेक करते हैं। जैसे अलग अलग इंजन होते हैं ना, तो उस इंजन की ट्यूनिंग करते हैं। जैसे हमारे पास हार्ले है, हार्ले का हम ट्यूनिंग करते हैं कि कितनी वाइब्रेशन ये प्रोड्यूस करे, कि इसके जो स्क्रूज हैं ये अपने आप वाइब्रेशन की वजह से उतरने ना शुरू हो जाए, उसे हम बोलते हैं ट्यूनिंग फोक। ये हमारे पास लैब में प्रेजेंट है, जब स्कूल रीओपन होगा तो हम इसकी एक्टिविटी करेंगे। फॉर द टाइमिंग आप यूट्यूब के ऊपर इसको देख सकते हो। काफी
Okay,
अच्छा
sir.
एक्सपेरिमेंट है ये। डिफरेंट इंजन्स की जो होते हैं ना, उनकी ट्यूनिंग देखते हैं कि कितनी ये वाइब्रेशन प्रोड्यूस करेगा, और इस वाइब्रेशन से किसी दूसरे इक्विपमेंट के ऊपर इसका कोई अफेक्ट ना हो। ये ना हो कि वाइब्रेशन हो और स्क्रू जो है वो वाइब्रेशन से डीस्क्रू हो जाए और बाद में उतर जाए। तो ये एक बहुत अच्छी इक्विपमेंट बनाया गया है जिसे हम बोलते हैं ट्यूनिंग फोक। Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay, so
No,
next
sir.
is sound need a medium to travel. So we have three types of medium. One is solid, liquid, and gas. And the speed of sound is highest in solid because the particles are closely packed, so they can transmit their signal easily. But in case of liquid and gases, the distance is quite large, so sound the distance travel or the speed of sound is not that much. So the speed of sound is highest in solids. Then a sound wave in longitudinal wave. We have already discussed it, compression and rarefaction. Crust and trough. Crust is correspond to compression and trough is correspond to rarefaction. Frequency is measured in hertz, represented by nu. Reciprocate of frequency is time period. Amplitude, maximum height of crust or maximum depth is known as amplitude. Distance between two crusts or two trough is known as wavelength. Pitch and loudness. एक मैंने इसके ऊपर स्लाइड आपको अपलोड की थी, प्लीज उसे आप कंप्यूटर के ऊपर देखिएगा. जब आप कंप्यूटर पे देखेंगे तो जो उसके ऊपर मैंने म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट बनाए हैं, अगर आप उस पर क्लिक करोगे तो आपको उसकी साउंड जो है वो सुनाई देगी, सो दैट यू कैन डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन डिफरेंट पिच एंड लाउडनेस. So this is all about this chapter. We are left with the structure of human ear and working. We will discuss it in our next class. If you have any kind of doubt, please discuss. Please feel free to discuss your doubts. Ritika, Sparsh, Prithviraj, Tanav. Ritika is there? Yes. Pawar,
No doubt, sir.
No doubt.
Sankirtana,
No doubt.
Fiza. Fiza, no doubt, sir. So thank you very much for your time. Please stay connected. Wish you a very happy weekend. Stay healthy. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.